nagbabalik ang Fun and Laugh with Ron. At syempre kasama pa rin natin ang ating fantastic guest na si Sachi. Pero bago ang lahat, Sachi, bumati ka ulit sa ating manonood na hanggang ngayon ay nakatutok pa din sa iyo mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao or nasaan man sila around the world.
Hello, good morning po again to all the viewers sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and all throughout the world. Welcome here po sa Fun and Laugh.
Ayan, napaka-divine naman talaga ni Sachi talaga. Ayun naman, Sachi, ngayon naman, pag-usapan naman natin yung pagpasok mo sa pageant, no? Paano ka ba napasali dito sa pageant? Parang may nag-udyok ba sa'yo, bukod dun sa parang sabi mo kanina na parang gusto mong sumagot lang sa Q&A portion?
Yes, so nung naging single mother po ako, gusto ko lang talagang maging busy. And gusto ko pong i-try lahat ng mga activities na gustong-gusto ko nang gawin before, na yung mga nag-hold back sa akin. So sabi ko, why not try itong beauty pageant para maiba naman? New learnings, and I want to meet a lot of people. And yun nga, ma-build din yung discipline ko, tsaka yung poise, grace, yung mga ganun.
Wow, kitang-kita nga namin yung Grace. Kanina ka ba poise na poise eh. Pero ito, ano ba o sino yung naging inspirasyon mo para pasukin noon yung pageant?
Aside from my daughters, I really want to be an inspiration din po sa mga mommies out there. Lalo na rin po sa mga single mothers like me. Kasi marami pong mga hindi po sila confident sa sarili nila. Parang they feel like napag-iwanan na sila. They have a lot of dreams na hindi po nila nagagawa. So I really want to motivate them na kaya mo. You just have to really love yourself, give yourself some time, invest in yourself, and yun nga, parang continuous learning dapat. Yan po.
Sachi, take me back doon, mag-trip back memory lane tayo. Nung sumali ka sa pageant, nakutuban ka ba na kahit papano ay magkakaroon ka ng place?
Ay, nako, hindi ko po inisip yun. Kasi I just want to have fun. For me, being a candidate is already a big accomplishment. So, hindi ko po inisip manalo at all.
Oo, pero nung tinawag ka as a second runner-up, syempre malaking privilege na yun dahil first time ka mo at saka natanghal ka kaagad na second runner-up. Ano yung feeling mo that moment?
I really can't believe it po. Kasi for me, hindi naman po kasi ako someone na kumaga achiever in life. Pero during that time, I felt na God really made a way for me to bag the title because He knows what's in my heart and He knows that there are a lot of women out there na pwede ka ring matouch with my story. Kasi my story is more about resilience, sacrifice, and being a kind-hearted person. Kahit na ano pang struggles yung nangyari sa buhay mo, I really bounce back. Yun lang po.
And parang somehow you felt validated, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Validation po is something na negative yung connotation nila. Pero when you are a mother, there are really a lot of things na feeling mo you're not doing well enough. Feeling mo kulang ka pa bilang nanay. Pero for me, I really want to make that word validation a positive one because we all need validation that you are doing a great job being a mother. So, yun lang po.
And the winner is... Grabe si
Thank you
Sachi talaga sumagot eh, no? Parang akala mo nasa beauty contest.
Thank you.
Pero ngayon naman, Sachi, nung sumali ka ba sa contest, ano yung advocacy mo na feeling mo yun yung parang nagpanalo sa'yo at matanghala sa second runner-up?
Women empowerment po, especially to single mothers. Sabi ko kasi noon, a lot of single mothers can really radiate with what I'm feeling. A lot of single mothers can really feel what I'm feeling. They feel helpless, they feel like no one's helping them, and they feel like they're being invalidated. So, yun po talaga yung nag-push for me to really do more dun po.
So, Sachi, ano naman yung gusto mong sabihin sa mga taong gustong maging katulad mo na sumali din sa pageant na katulad mo ay isa ng misis, di ba? At meron ng mga anak, pero feeling nila hindi pa huli ang lahat, pero meron silang hesitations.
Well, I'm not married, pero I have 3 daughters na. So, for me, it's really not something you have to fear about yourself. kung anong edad mo na. Kasi nowadays, they're really more, giving chance sa mga older na mga women. So, wala na siyang age limit. And wala rin siyang weight restriction. So, you will...
Diversity
Yes.
talaga, no?
And then, kahit na single ka pa, meron kang kids, single mom, married, or senior, open na siya for everyone. So, there's really no reason for you to doubt yourself. If you feel like you really want to be a beauty queen, so be it. Kasi you will be a good role model, hindi lang sa mga anak mo, kundi to all women out there as well.
Okay, so Sachi, ano naman ang gusto mong sabihin sa lahat ng tumangkilik sa iyo sa paglaban mo as a queen of the world? Second runner-up.
I'm really overwhelmed. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng tumulong sa akin. I really don't know how I made it. Pero what I am positive about is God really helped me all throughout. Naramdaman ko po yun kasi when I was already on stage, sinasabi na yung second runner-up. Parang may spark po within me at that moment. Sabi ko, lahat ng paghihirap ko, it's not just about me, but all the people who believed in me. Yun po. Thank you so much.
Tama na, baka ganda nun, di ba? Kasi parang nabigyan ka pa ng hope, di ba? Na
Opo.
akalain mo, kasi di ba, meron kasi tayong parang connotation, di ba? Na parang kapag nanay ka na parang nalilimitahan ka na parang hanggang doon ka na lang, di ba? Parang nakakatuwa na nagbubukas ng mga organization na ganito, no? Para
Yes po.
ma-uplift yung spirit and confidence ng ating mga kababaihan. Diba? So, meron ka bang mga message pa sa iyong mga supporters na hanggang ngayon ay nakaabang talaga para sa iyo at tinitingnan pa kung ano pa yung next for Sachi?
I just want to say thank you po ulit kasi you've given me a lot of opportunities po para mas paniwalaan pa yung sarili ko. Kasi sometimes you feel like you're not doing okay eh. Parang feeling mo, tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Is it overacting na ba sa tingin nila? Pero salamat po sa inyo kasi I never felt na parang sobra na. Kasi what I'm doing is to make myself happy and I'm not pleasing other people po. So I just wanted to send out good vibes to everyone, inspire women out there.
Ayan. Pero Sachi, may gusto ring magpakita ng kanyang beauty queen walk ang aming komedyanteng kikay na si Sugar. So papasukin natin si Sugar at ikaw naman ngayon ang magja-judge sa kanya kung pasok or pasok na lang ulit siya sa loob. Kaya naman, Sugar, pakitaan mo na kami ng iyong pageant walk. Oh my God. Wow, napaka-antaray naman ito.
Ang galing!
Palakpakan naman natin ang aming Sugar, guys. Ayan. So, Sachi, para sa'yo, pasado ba?
Siyempre, more than 100% pa!
Wow, pasado daw. Mukhang nagkabayaran backstage.
Actually, nag-usap po kami.
Nag-usap na. Ayan, so again, palakpakan naman natin si Sachi, guys, dahil
you.
tunay na nakaka-inspire ang iyong journey. Pero dahil ito na ang iyong pagkakataon na makapagpasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa iyo at meron ka bang gustong i-promote or i-shout out?
Thank you po sa opportunity to thank the people. So, number one, I really want to thank God kasi He is the one who gave me strength and lead me to the right path. Secondly, syempre yung aking family, yung aking father, kahit hindi po niya alam yung pinagagawa ko.
Magugulat sila dito.
And his girlfriend, Doc Ella, my kids, Monique, Bianca, Ashley, my tita, kahit na medyo ayaw din po niyang support ako before. Yeah, Tita Helen, Tito Shotty, Tita Judith, and my pinsan. Yan po. And sa mga product naman po na ini-endorse ko po as their brand ambassador, I'd like to thank Regen Health and Aesthetics Clinic by Dr. Cho. They have branches po in Eastwood and also in Cubao and Alta Skincare System. And yun po, Queen of the World Philippines 2025 will have its screening po. I-announce na lang daw po next kung kailan po. So watch out po.
Ayan. So, tuloy-tuloy pa ang ating kwentuhan sa pagbabalik ng ating programang Sigurado ang Fun at Sure na Sure ang Laugh, ang Fun and Laugh with Ron.
Fun and laugh, nood ka na dito. Fun